Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today is an exciting day because today I am going to unbox the Axial SCX10 Pro. I actually was able to pick one of these up at my local hobby shop. I think they got like 10 in stock, and I was lucky enough to get one because I did not pre-order one. So I know a lot of people have been really anticipating this, so super excited. Going to go ahead and open this box up. Got a little handy dandy knife here. It's always nice when you see the factory seal. So, and I guess we'll go over what's on the box. But you see you got your shiftable transmission there, which gives you actually an underdrive that acts as an overdrive. So, which is really nice. Then you got your, looks like they're AR44 axles, but they're a little bit different design. They got I guess it's a multi-piece axle they call it. So winch mounting, I guess they're showing here. And then the motor is actually a forward motor mount, which is pretty cool. So, and it looks like they do have some new shocks. I'm sure people have seen many videos on this already before, but they do have some new shocks that they have there. So I'm curious to see how those are, because in the past I've always had some issues with axial shocks leaking. So, and they're just, you know, they were always serviceable, they were fine, but there was always a lot more better options on the market. So I'm curious to see how the ones inside this kit are, and it looks like they did make some changes. So, other than that, anything else on the box? No, the box is pretty simple. To have the whole entire kit in a box that's like, I don't know, 2.5, 3 inches thick here, so, and not that big. Much smaller than other kit boxes. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and break the factory seal here. Alrighty, opens up nicely like that. So right off the bat, you got your user manual. So, which is also going to be your build instruction manual. So it's nice and thin, but we'll see how that one looks. I've built other ones in the past and other axial kits in the past, and the builder's guides have always been great, so no issues there. So then you got your bag. It's got all your body mounting here, and then it also looks like it might have your bumpers in bag H. You got all your links, so you will be building links, and they are high clearance links, so that's nice. And these do feel like the thicker steel. So if you have a stock, like let's say a base camp, and they come with metal links, but the metal links are always so thin, and they wind up bending. This seems like much heavier duty links, so that's really nice there. Bag B is your shocks, comes with some shock fluid. Let's see, bag E is your wild bore drive shafts, so that's nice there. Bag G, this looks like your skid plate and then also your electronics mounting sliders, so that's nice. Bag C looks like a transmission here. And then look at this. This is what really I thought was cool, this flat rail chassis that it comes with here. And just look at the aggressiveness of this chassis. You could just see you got the angled skid here, but it's going to be a nice LCG design. So really excited to see how that is. What do we got here? This is all of your bearings, and this is, so bag C I believe is going to be your transmission, and this is actually your skid plate here in bag C. And then bag A1, this looks like it's going to be your axles. So it's your multi-piece axles here, which is kind of cool because you see the whole axle in a kit, but this is your multi-piece axles here. So really, I mean, it seems like it's going to be a quite easy and hopefully enjoyable kit to build. So, and it's also nicely packaged in this small box, which I really could appreciate, because I'm one of those type of people who keeps my kit boxes, and they're large, and it's annoying. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go over some highlights in another build video, but really excited to finally get this one put together. And yeah, so go ahead and stay on tuned to see what the completed kit looks like, and build highlights video. But thank you so much, everyone. Have a good one. Until next time. Thank you.